Hello, what's your name?
My name is Kim Hưng.
How old are you?
How on you? How on you is it is six.
What grade are you in?
The last is last is seven. Last
What is
seven.
your favorite subject?
Your phrase subject is math.
Where did you go last Sunday?
Sunday is watch TV.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes,
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
that, that is morning. Yes,
What did you eat
is
for breakfast?
very breakfast is chicken.
Okay. Talk about your last weekend. Talk about your last weekend. Where did you go?
Is ah, about it.
Mhm. Who did you go with in Vung Tau? Did you go with your family?
Yes, is family.
What did you do in Vung Tau?
Is swimming pool. Swimming pool.
Okay. Where are you going to go this summer?
Some is right about
Who are you going to travel with?
double big.
With family or friends?
Yes,
Okay. Are you going to visit your grandparents this summer?
yes.
Talk about your summer holiday plan.
Uh,
Where are you going to this summer?
some is
I will go to.
some laid out.
Okay. What are you going to do?
What you do?
Okay, that's okay. Talk about the differences between the two pictures.
Flower, flower, flower gone red, then flower red, flower gone gone
Okay.
red, là flower gone red,
Okay.
then flower red.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.